Now a political message to pressure cooker manufacturers. You give us two options. You give us the float valve, which can take about 25 minutes to go down naturally, or we've got quick release, which takes about 30 seconds, but this, it hits your roof and dirties your roof in that. I've found that if I move this just very slightly, it's a gentle quick release, and it might take about a minute rather than 30 seconds, but it doesn't go anywhere near my roof. So manufacturers, I ask you, please give us a soft quick release option rather than just a brutal quick release option. So I ask for gentle quick release option. That would be a third option. It would take about 20 minutes for the float valve to go down, whereas the quick release is brutal. I find if I do this slightly I can get a gentle release, but it'd be better if it was built in. But wash your hand under there. Never use your hand. Just something like that. So manufacturers, get on it. Gentle, quick release. Look at that, no, I'm not messing up my roof, my ceiling. I'm not going like that. I'm going like that. Manufacturers, get on the case. It's nearly gone now. The float valve will drop. Gone. Manufacturers, we want the third way.